Software development is the process of creating, designing, programming, testing, and maintaining software applications or systems. It involves a combination of technical skills, creativity, problem-solving, and collaboration. Here are the key steps and aspects of software development. Requirement analysis. Gather and define the requirements for the software. This involves understanding the needs of users, stakeholders, and the overall purpose of the software. Planning. Create a project plan that outlines the scope, timeline, resources, and budget for the software development process. Design. Design the architecture and user interface of the software. This step involves creating diagrams, wireframes, and prototypes to visualize the software structure and functionality. Implementation. Coding. Write the actual code for the software based on the design specifications. Developers use programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and more to create the functionality of the software. Testing. Test the software to identify and fix bugs, errors, and inconsistencies. This includes unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. Deployment. Deploy the software to the production environment, making it available for users. This involves configuring servers, databases, and other infrastructure. Maintenance and support. Continuously monitor the software, address any issues that arise, and provide updates, improvements, and new features as needed. Version control. Use version control systems like Git to manage changes to the source code, collaborate with other developers, and track the history of the software. Agile and iterative development. Many software development projects use agile methodologies, such as Scrum or Kanban, to deliver frequent updates and adapt to changing requirements. Documentation. Create documentation that outlines the software's features, functionality, installation instructions, and troubleshooting steps. Quality assurance, QA. Implement quality assurance processes to ensure the software meets quality standards and user expectations. Security. Implement security measures to protect the software and its users from vulnerabilities and cyber threats. User experience, UX, design. Focus on designing an intuitive and user-friendly interface that enhances the user experience. Performance optimization. Optimize the software's performance by identifying and resolving bottlenecks, improving efficiency, and minimizing resource usage. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Implement CI/CD pipelines to automate the process of building, testing, and deploying software updates. Software development encompasses various roles, including software engineers, programmers, designers, testers, project managers, and more. The choice of programming languages, development frameworks, and tools depends on the project's requirements and goals. Whether you're developing web applications, mobile apps, desktop software, or other types of software, the development process involves a combination of technical skills, collaboration, and a commitment to delivering high-quality solutions that meet user needs. Software development methods, also known as software development methodologies or processes, are structured approaches that guide the process of creating software. These methods provide a framework for managing the various stages of software development, from requirements gathering to deployment and maintenance. Different methodologies offer distinct approaches to project management, team collaboration, and development practices. Here are some common software development methods. Waterfall method. The waterfall method follows a linear sequence of phases: requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase must be completed before moving to the next. It's suitable for well-defined projects with stable requirements. Agile methodologies. Agile methodologies focus on iterative and incremental development, emphasizing flexibility and collaboration. Examples include Scrum divides work into time-boxed iterations, sprints, with defined goals and regular review meetings. Kanban visualizes the workflow and allows work to flow continuously based on demand. Extreme programming, XP, emphasizes coding, testing, and frequent releases, with a focus on customer feedback. Lean development. Inspired by lean manufacturing, this method aims to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and deliver value quickly. It emphasizes continuous improvement and customer value. DevOps. DevOps combines development and operations, aiming to integrate development, testing, and deployment processes for faster and more reliable software delivery. Scrum. Scrum is an agile framework that focuses on small, cross-functional teams working in short iterations, sprints, to deliver working software. It involves regular ceremonies like sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. Kanban. Kanban is a visual framework that emphasizes incremental improvements and continuous flow. It's based on visualizing work on a board and limiting work in progress. Extreme Programming, XP. XP emphasizes coding practices, continuous integration, test-driven development, and frequent releases. It aims to deliver high-quality software quickly and adapt to changing requirements. Feature-driven development, FDD. FDD focuses on designing and building features incrementally. It emphasizes domain modeling, feature lists, and regular inspections. Rapid Application Development, RAD. RAD focuses on rapid prototyping and quick development cycles. It's suitable for projects where requirements might change frequently. Spiral Model. The spiral model combines elements of iterative development and risk management. It involves multiple cycles of planning, risk analysis, engineering, and evaluation. Crystal Methods. Crystal methods offer different methodologies tailored to the project's size, complexity, and criticality. They emphasize communication, reflection, and adapting to the project's unique characteristics. Structured methods. Structured methods like Structured Systems Analysis and Design Method, SSADM, provide a step-by-step approach to software development with a focus on structured documentation and modeling. V-Model. Validation and Verification Model. The V-Model emphasizes a parallel development and testing approach, where each development phase has a corresponding testing phase. Incremental and iterative development. These methods involve breaking the development process into smaller increments or iterations, with each iteration delivering a functional piece of the software. Hybrid methods. Many development teams use hybrid approaches that combine elements of multiple methodologies to suit their project's unique needs. The choice of software development method depends on factors such as project size, complexity, team structure, client collaboration, and the level of flexibility needed. Teams often adapt and tailor methodologies to fit their specific project requirements and organizational culture.